Hello friends, this is Kallol Roy from Foetron Academy. I shall be uploading series of videos on Microsoft Excel. I shall be uploading a unique feature through a unique video so that you can refer it in the time of your need. So let's go and see the features.
Network days function. Network days function basically calculate the working days between two dates. Here I have a start date and a finish date. Now I need to calculate the working days between these two days. So I just write here network working days and start date, finish date. So it is giving me a figure 22. Now it may happen that there are some holidays in between. Say here 15th August is a holiday, that is Independent Day of India. So how to consider the holiday here? Here the third one I have to consider as this holiday. You can see one day reduced and the figure is 21 now.
Friends, keep watching Foetron Academy channel in YouTube. Hit like, subscribe, and I can assure you will able to learn lot of things on Microsoft technology. Thank you.